Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best vegan butterscotch chips is probably one of the most versatile and delicious baking ingredients you can add to your pantry, offering a rich, caramel-like flavor without any dairy. Whether you're a seasoned vegan baker or just looking to explore dairy-free options, these chips can elevate your cookies, brownies, and even savory dishes, providing that irresistible sweet and buttery taste that complements a wide range of recipes. Get ready to discover how these little morsels can transform your culinary creations into something truly special and satisfying for everyone to enjoy. Number 5. Sunnie gluten-free sea salt crackers. Discover a healthier way to snack with our delicious gluten-free crackers. They are perfect for both kids and adults, offering a satisfying crunch in every bite. Crafted with just 6 simple ingredients, including nourishing avocado oil, these crackers are a choice you can feel good about. Enjoy the pure taste of quality ingredients. Looking for a low-calorie option? These vegan snacks are designed to satisfy your cravings without the guilt. Enjoy a treat that aligns with your wellness goals. Whether it's a lunchbox edition, an afternoon pick-me-up, or a party platter, these versatile crackers are always a hit. Their sea salt flavor is simply irresistible. Experience the delightful flavor and satisfying texture of our Sunnie gluten-free crackers. Grab a pack today and elevate your snacking experience. What we like? Looking for a simple, wholesome snack? These crackers are made with just 6 ingredients, including beneficial avocado oil. If you prioritize clean eating and need a healthy option for both kids and adults, these are a fantastic choice. What people say? It only has 5 ingredients. They are vegan, gluten-free, grain-free, made with avocado oil and are allergy-friendly. The crackers are also very filling and work great for when you have parties over or to take as snacks for the kids while out and about. These made my Amazon subscribe and save instantly. If you love avocado oil and crackers with a significant crunch, these are definitely worth trying. Number 4. King David Vegan White Chocolate Chips. Discover the delightful taste of white chocolate without any dairy. Our chips are perfect for all your baking needs, offering a creamy flavor you'll love. Enjoy peace of mind with our certified vegan and kosher white chocolate chips. They are crafted to meet your dietary preferences while delivering exceptional taste. Experience the sweet, creamy essence of white chocolate in every bite. These chips add a luxurious touch to cookies, brownies, and more. Elevate your baked goods with these versatile chips. They melt beautifully, ensuring a smooth texture and rich flavor in all your creations. Stock up on your favorite treat with this convenient pack of 4. You'll have plenty on hand for all your baking adventures. Finally, a non-dairy option that doesn't compromise on taste. Savor the classic white chocolate flavor, made entirely from plant-based ingredients. What we like? Craving a sweet, dairy-free white chocolate experience? These chips offer that classic flavor without any lactose. If you're a vegan baker or have dairy sensitivities and want to add a delightful twist to your desserts, these are perfect for you. What people say? They're delicious, melt well, and are perfect for baking in items too. They are well made, melt good and most importantly, taste delicious. They are excellent texture, flavor, and usable in all the ways you'd use regular white chips. Number 3. Enjoy Life White Chocolate Mini Chips. Indulge in the sweet, creamy taste of our white chocolate mini chips. They're perfect for all your baking needs, offering a delightful dairy-free option. These versatile mini chips melt beautifully into cookies, brownies, and muffins. Enjoy them straight from the bag for a satisfying sweet treat anytime. Crafted for those with dietary restrictions, our white chocolate chips are free from common allergens. Now everyone can enjoy the joy of baking. Experience the rich, satisfying flavor of premium white chocolate in every bite. These mini chips add a touch of sweetness to any dessert. Our convenient 9-ounce bag ensures you have enough for multiple baking projects. It's the perfect size to keep stocked in your pantry for spontaneous baking. Baking should be a joy, not a stress. Our products are designed to make it easy and delicious for everyone to create wonderful treats. What we like? Need a reliable white chocolate chip for all your baking needs? These are free from common allergens, making them a safe choice for many. If you're baking for a crowd with diverse dietary needs or simply want a smooth, meltable chip, these are an excellent option. What people say. You can melt them down to coat drizzle. I add them to pancakes or waffles, and I have even stated doing half chocolate chip and half white chocolate chip when I make chocolate chip cookies, which have been a big hit with anyone who has tried them. The taste is just as I remembered. The mini chips were so cute and little. I put them in cookies and melted perfectly. The texture of the chocolate is nice, and they aren't too sweet. The sugar is subtle but good. These were so similar to the normal chocolate chips that I couldn't really tell when I ate them. So excited to keep eating foods I like while staying dairy-free. Number 2. Enjoy life Ricemilk baking morsels. Discover the joy of baking without dairy. Our Ricemilk morsels are perfect for all your sweet creations. Crafted for those with dietary needs, these morsels are free from common allergens. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence in every bite. Experience a wonderfully smooth and creamy texture that melts beautifully. They add a delightful richness to cookies, brownies, and more. Whether you're making cookies, muffins, or any baked treat, these morsels are your go-to ingredient. Elevate your baking with ease. Baking should be a pleasure, not a challenge. Our Ricemilk morsels make it simple to create delicious treats everyone can enjoy. What we like. Seeking a creamy, dairy-free alternative to traditional milk chocolate chips. These morsels use a Ricemilk base for a smooth, satisfying taste. If you're looking for a vegan-friendly chip that melts beautifully into cookies and other baked goods, these are a must-try. What people say. These taste great and have been perfect for all my baking needs. These Ricemilk baking morsels are vegan and taste really good, melt smoothly and perfect for baking or snacking. They have a nice texture and size and were great for everything we use them for. Number 1. King David Vegan Caramel Chips. Discover a delightful treat that satisfies your sweet cravings. These caramel chips are crafted for pure enjoyment, with no dairy in sight. Experience the rich, decadent flavor of caramel in a chip form. They are made entirely from plant-based ingredients, perfect for a vegan lifestyle. Enjoy the classic taste of caramel without any lactose. These chips offer a smooth, satisfying crunch that everyone can appreciate. Sourced with care and certified kosher, you can trust the quality of these delightful snacks. They are made to meet the highest standards. Get a convenient pack of 4 bags, perfect for stocking up your pantry. Share the deliciousness with family and friends, or keep them all to yourself. Elevate your snacking experience with King David's special recipe. These vegan caramel chips are a testament to delicious, thoughtful creation. What we like. Want to add a rich caramel flavor to your vegan treats? These chips deliver that decadent taste without any dairy. If you love the warm, sweet notes of caramel and are looking for a unique chip to elevate your baking, these are an inspired choice. What people say. The texture is seamless and easy to use in baking. Its color is perfect for use in cookies and candies. It's often difficult to find vegan options for cooking baking. These caramel chips are so good I could just eat them right out of the bag. But I save them for baking goodies. They're delicious, and while they're not particularly chewy, they have the rest of the taste right. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.